go find a nice spot, do some van life in the bush. All the gear packed up. Alright, inside the van, and gonna warm up some food. So we got the Blue Yeti here. I'll turn that on. Put the AC on. Plug this in. We got power to the microwave. Blue Yeti. It's running 11, almost 1200 watts. No problem for the Blue Yeti. Warm up some food. We got some pancit, some Filipino food. Got the running water in the ice cold fridge. Some steaks, some eggs, mushrooms. It's holding at 1 degree Celsius. And for laptops, phones, we got the other Blue Yeti EB3A. It's giving us our power. And the nightlight LED strip, giving us the light inside. Gotta have the JL subs. Hustle Life merch. Drop soon.
He was driving down the road when he thought he found a good spot and drove deep into the forest with his truck. His first night there, he was woken up to sounds outside. As he continued listening, he realized they were footprints, and from the pattern assumed it was a person. He grabbed his nearby GoPro and started filming. I'm currently sleeping in the back of my truck right now. I don't even know what time it is. And there's someone walking around my truck.
What the
right now. If you can hear that, it's pretty loud.
Let's go check. Put the night lights on. Got the side. And we got the rear. You can see the rear, but we got the rear too. Can light up the whole place.
Knocking on my truck. The canopy, the back door's not right there. Wherever. Later that morning, he
Perfect
found
thing to
handprints
watch
all
when
over his
you're
truck,
camping in
specifically on his
the
back
bush.
window from someone trying to see inside, and a lot on his door handles from someone trying to get inside. Handprints there, long scratches, stuff like that. Dragging his finger on my side of my truck. Looks like to be trying to get inside my truck. The person didn't even have a light, and this was in the middle of a pitch-black forest.
That's
No one
some
ever
stuff to
posted
watch,
an update on the
but
situation, suggesting that he never found out who was outside his
spending
truck
the
that
night
night.
in the bush, Crown Land. Let's take a look at what we're looking at here. It is pitch black. Let's turn on some lights. Thanks to nightlight, we got the whole perimeter lit up. Without these lights, it'd be pitch black. But got the 360-degree perimeter lighting. You can see all the way around the Sprinter. You can hear the diesel heater going off. This place would be nice in the summer. Got a fire pit here. Hopefully we can get this spot one day in the summer if someone else doesn't have it. But in Crown Land you can camp. You can camp here if you're a Canadian resident up to, I believe, 21 days. You can stay in one spot. Then after 21 days, I think you have to move like 100 meters. But yeah, if you got a Sprinter, you can just camp out here for free. Or in a tent, or in a car. Let's get back in this. It's freezing out here.
Have all of these answers about relationships, and that's something that I was looking for.
We'll see you in more videos and on our website.
I clicked the link on their website, which brought me to their Facebook page.
Alright, it's morning time. Gonna get on out of here.